Hello folks, this is your 2024 May June paper 1-3 and the question number is 17. It is concerned with the chapter work, energy and power. It says an object is in a uniform gravitational field. Okay, the graph shows how the change in gravitational potential energy delta EP of the object varies with the vertical distance x moved by the object from a fixed point. So, a variation of a change of potential energy along with the distance here. Which graph shows how the gravitational force F acting on the body object varies with distance x. So we have to find the graph showing the variation of F and x. So one thing that we have to remember is the change in gravitational potential energy is equal to mg into x in this case. Mg into x in this case. And mg is the gravitational force, so it has been represented by this F. So it's equal to F into x. So delta EP should be is equal to F into x. Now we have a graph here. And the graph shows that the slope is a straight this graph is a straight line through the origin. That means we have a constant slope here. So here, when you look at this equation, if I draw it in x-axis and if I draw it in y-axis, this equation represents the equation of a straight line through the origin, just like this, to the origin, and its slope is this. This F is equal to the slope of the graph, and the slope is constant. F represents the slope of the graph, and this slope is constant. So m is constant, which means that this force of gravity or the gravitational force should also be equal to constant. This should also be constant. So the whole theme of this graph is that the gravitational force will be constant. Now, if we go through the graphs, the only graph which shows the force constant is graph number C, choice number C. So this should be the correct choice.